Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans. Today I am bringing to you the 2020 Ford Transit. This is the jumbo, extra long wheelbase, extra high roof model, the biggest model of Ford Transit you can get. And even though this one's from 2020, it has under 7,000 miles on it. So it's basically fresh out of the box. Now if I just bring you around this vehicle now with an absolutely massive chassis on it, I will just show you into the cab up front. In here we have 3 seats, of course. If you pull down the middle one, like in all Transits, we do of course have some cup holders and small table. This is of course 6-geared with a reverse gear as well, radio as well. Now I will just shake you into the cargo space within the back of this ginormous van. As you can see, it does come with interior lighting and does not have any plywood. Now if you let me just step inside of the vehicle here, because it's got an extra high roof, we can see there is also room above the cab as well. Now if we head into the back of the van, I will just show you the space inside one more time. As you can see, unlike in a custom, this does not have hinges which protrude into the cargo space either, really maximising that amount of space that you can have inside one of these vehicles. I mean, just look at the absolute size of this.